Hi, welcome to Amjad Concepts. In this video, I will explain 9th class first chapter, that is real numbers. Before that, already we have learnt in 6th, 7th and 8th class what are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Now, a small recall on that. Here, natural numbers are denoted by the letter capital N, and those are set of numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, and whole numbers denoted by the letter capital W, those are natural numbers along with 0, nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And integers are denoted by the letter capital Z and R I, capital Z or I, those are 0 and positive numbers and negative numbers, nothing but natural numbers, whole numbers and negative numbers, all are integers. And rational numbers are denoted by the letter Q, the numbers which can be written in the form of P by Q where Q not equal to 0, and here P comma Q are belongs to rational numbers, then those numbers are called as a rational numbers. Okay, P by Q and Q not equal to 0, P comma Q are the integers. Okay, those numbers are called as a rational numbers. We learnt in this is maybe 5th class, 6th class, 7th and 8th. Now coming to 9th, real numbers. Okay, now what are now irrational number? Irrational number. Irrational numbers are neither terminating nor repeating numbers. Those are irrational numbers. Those are root 2, root 3, root 5 and so on. Now combination, union of rational and irrational numbers are real numbers. Union of rational and irrational numbers are real numbers. Here we can say that natural numbers all are belongs to whole numbers. So natural numbers are subset to whole numbers. Whole numbers are all are belongs to integers. So whole numbers also subset to integers. Okay, and all integers are rational numbers. All integers are rational numbers. So rational numbers are integers. Z belongs to Z subset to Q. Okay, now Q union Q dash. Q union Q dash, nothing but real numbers. That is our chapter, real numbers. In 9th class, first exercise 1.1, problems are given based on 8th class. Based on 8th class. Here, given first problem, exercise 1.1, first bit, first problem. Write any 3 rational numbers. Write any 3 rational numbers. Rational numbers which are in the form of P by Q, where Q not equal to 0, P comma Q are the integers. Take any number. For example, minus 2. Is that rational number or not? Yes, absolutely. Why? Because minus 2 can be written as minus 2 by 1. Minus 2 by 1. It is in the form of P by Q and Q not equal to 0. So, minus 2 is a rational number. What about 0? 0 is also a rational number. Why? Because 0 can be written as 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, 0 by something. Okay, here P by Q, Q not equal to 0. Is 1 equal to 0? Not equal to 0. So it's a rational number. And P comma Q are the integers. Yes. So 0 also a rational number. And any positive number, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever, all are rational number. Generally we can write 1 by 2, 2 by 3. These all are rational number. Just ask and write any 3 rational numbers. Okay. Now coming to second problem, explain a rational number in your own terms, in your own language. Okay, in your own terms. Explain a rational number. The numbers which are in the form of P by Q, where Q not equal to 0, P comma Q are integers. The numbers which can be written in the form of P by Q, Q not equal to 0, P comma Q are the integers. Such numbers are called as rational numbers. Is that okay? The numbers which can be written in the form of P by Q, Q not equal to 0, P comma Q are the integers. Such numbers are called as rational numbers. Okay. Now, second bit. Give one example. Give one example. Each of the following questions. Here the questions are given. First one. A number which is a rational but not an integer. A number which is a rational but not an integer. Okay. Listen. Here we wrote some rational numbers. In that, which are rational and which are not integer. Okay, which is rational but not integer. What are those numbers? -2, this is a integer. 0 is also a integer. 3 is also a integer. Okay, all are belongs to rational number only. These three are the integer. What about 1/2? 1/2 is the integer? No, but it's a rational number. Here the question is a number which is rational. 1/2 is rational but not an integer. 1/2 is not an integer. It's a rational but not an integer. 2/3 also a rational but not an integer, which are in the form of fraction form. Okay, those are not an integer, all rational numbers. Take any number, 1/2, 2/3, some. These are rational numbers but not integer. Yeah. A whole number which is not natural. A whole number which is not natural. Listen, observe these two. Natural numbers and whole numbers are there. All natural numbers are whole numbers. But all whole numbers are not natural numbers. One number is differ. What is that? 0. Okay. Here, 0 is whole number. Is that natural number? No. 0 is not present in natural number. So, 0 is a whole number but not natural number. Here the question is a whole number, that is 0, which is not a natural number. Is that natural number? No. So, we can give example for a whole number which is not a natural number is 0. Is 0. Now, third question. An integer which is not a whole number. Integer but not a whole number. Listen, integer, these are the integers. In that 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, these all are whole numbers only. 0 also whole numbers only. Which are not whole number in integer? All negative numbers. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. These all belongs to integers only but not whole numbers. Whole numbers are from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4 positive numbers. 0 to positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. But these negative numbers are integers but not whole numbers. So we can write here any negative numbers. Any negative numbers. Okay. An integer which is not whole number. So we can take any negative number. And fourth one, a number which is a natural number, whole number, integer and rational number. What is that? A number which is natural number, whole number, integer and rational number. What is that? Listen. A number which is natural number, whole number, integer and rational number. What are those? Take any positive number. 1. Is that natural number? Yes. Whole number? Yes. Integer? Yes. And rational number? Yes. 2. 2 is a natural number, whole number, integer and rational number. We can take any positive numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. All are belongs to natural numbers, whole numbers, integer and rational numbers. All positive numbers. Okay. Yeah. Now, fifth one. A number which is an integer but not a natural number. Fifth one. A number which is an integer but not a natural number. A number which is an integer but not a natural number. Listen, natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 and so on. Integers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and here -1, -2. Okay, this is all. In this, now tell me, a number which is integer, not a natural number. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and so on. We have 1, 2, 3 and so on. Strike out. Remaining numbers are 0, -1, -2 and all negative numbers. These all belongs to integers but not a natural number. Okay, what was the question given? A number which is an integer, not a natural number. These are all integers. 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. These are all integers. Are those belongs to natural numbers? No. So we can give any number, any number for given question. Okay. Example for given question. Give any 0. It's an integer but not natural number. -1 integer but not natural number. -2 integer but not natural, and so on. Okay. This is the second bit. And third bit, find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Yeah, very interesting. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Here, write 1 as denominator 6. Third bit, write 5 rational numbers, 5 rationals between 1 and 2. Yeah, between 1 and 2. Listen, 5 na, take 5 plus 1, that is nothing but 6. Okay, write 1 as a denominator 6. How can you write? Listen, 1 can be written as 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, and 6 by 6. 6 by 6, 1 only. 5 1 ja, 4 1 ja, 3 1 ja 3, 2 1 ja 2, 1 1 ja 1, like that. And 2, okay, write 2 as denominator 6. How can you write? 2 by 1, 4 by 2, 6 by 3, 8 by 4, 10 by 5, 12 by 6. 6 2 ja 12, 5 2 ja 10, 4 2 ja 8, 3 2 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 1 2 ja 2. Okay, now take these two. 6 by 6 and 12 by 6. These two are the like terms. Denominators are equal. Okay, this is nothing but 1. This is nothing but 2. 6 by 6 is 1, 12 by 6 is 2. Okay, between these two we have to write 5 rational numbers. Now write down. Between these two, what are numbers are there? 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 11 by 6. These are the 5 rational numbers which are between 1 and 2. Did you get that? Okay. Here the question is write 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. For that, okay, take 5 rational numbers na, 5 plus 1, 6. Write 1 as 6 denominator. So 6 by 6 is the 1. And write 2 as 6 denominator. 12 by 6 is 2. 6 by 6, 12 by 6. Here the denominators are equal. Okay, 6 by 6, 12 by 6. Between these two, we have the 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 11 by 6. 5 rational number. These are the 5 rational number which are between 1 and 2. Okay, and represent 8 by 5 and minus 8 by 5 on number line. Yeah. Okay, these are all problems we have done in 8th class only. 8 by 5 minus 8 by 5 on number line. 5th problem. Represent 8 by 5 minus 8 by 5 on number line. On number line. Okay. Yeah. Listen. Write down first number line. Okay. Here the 0, 1, 2, minus 1, and here is a minus 2. Okay. Now write as denominator 5. 1 can be written as denominator 5, 5 by 5. 0 is 0 by 5. Okay, 2 is 10 by 5. Minus 1 is minus 5 by 5. Minus 2 is minus 10 by 5. Okay, minus 10 by 5, 5 2 times, minus 2, 5 into minus 1, minus 5. Okay, 5 0, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. Okay, now 0 5, between we have 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, then now this is the 1 unit space, 0 to 1 unit. Okay, divide that 1 unit space as 4 equal parts. 1 2 3 4. Those are 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, and here is a 4 by 5. Divide into 4 equal parts, and from 1 and 2 here also same 1 unit space. Okay, divide that 1 unit space 4 equal parts. 5 by 5 is the 1, 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5, and 10 by 5 is a 2. Okay, same right left side also. Make 4 equal parts here also. Minus 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 3 by 5, minus 4 by 5. Here minus 6 by 5, minus 7 by 5, minus 8 by 5, minus 9 by 5. Yeah. Now coming to our question, given that 8 by 5 and minus 8 by 5. 8 by 5, where is that? Where is that 8 by 5? Here, 8 by 5. So make that highlight. 8 by 5. That is the required one. And minus 8 by 5, where is that? Here, minus 8 by 5. Minus 8 by 5, 8 by 5. Okay, this is the way to represent a rational number on number line. Okay, this is the way to represent a rational number on number line. Okay, yeah. Okay friends, thank you, thanks for watching. Thank you one and all.